Hi friends, welcome to TechTouch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to check or see keyboard shortcut key settings in MS Word. So before I start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. Guys, first of all open your MS Word, then key here Alt plus F8. In this you select Word commands. Then select here list commands. Then click on run. Then select here first one option current keyboard settings. Then click on OK. You can see here all the shortcut key of MS Word are shown. That's it guys. So in this video check and see current keyboard shortcut key in MS Word. Thanks for watching friends. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.